Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Tosin and welcome to another episode of Healthy Living with Tosin. So today I'll be making a special dish. Today we'll be making sweet potatoes with eggplant and mushrooms, and already I have my chopped carrots, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, onions, rodo, also known as Scotch bonnet, and I also have my mushroom marinated. So I soaked my mushrooms with apple vinegar, cider, and with maple syrup so that it can just give it a little bit of taste. After rinsing them, I cut the eggplant, onions, carrots, and green pepper into slices. Then first, I'll boil the eggplant slices in hot water. Okay, so now we have our eggplant boiled and it's soft. So now I just need to break them into tiny pieces so that when we have it on the pan, it can also be soft, very, very soft. So I'm going to do this in some minutes. So I just added avocado oil, and now I'm going to add some onions. And allow it fry for some minutes. I just want it a little bit brown before I add the other ingredients. Okay, so now that we have the onions on the fire, I'm gonna add pepper to it. I love pepper a lot, So people would say Yoruba, what? But I love pepper. I don't know. I really do not know what it is. I cannot even add pepper to. I don't know. Is there anything? Maybe Gary. Yes, I can't pepper to Gary. I'm sorry. I love pepper. Okay, so now I'm adding carrots to what we have on the fire. Some carrots chopped, and then stir. So I really love my carrots soft. So, which is the reason why I'm having this before any other thing, so that it can be softer. So, okay, so now it's time to add our spices. Here I'm using the sea salt, my favorite since I discovered it. So I'm adding some sea salt to this. Bay leaf, just to give it a little bit of scent. Then onion powder, because I love onions. But anyways, onion powder just to give it a little bit of taste. Then this is the ginger powder. Last but not the least is the parsley. So you can do this according to your ancestral measurements. It doesn't have to be what I'm doing right now, but I have everything all here. Then I'll stir, mix everything up. So allow this boil for some minutes before I then add the remaining vegetables that I have. Okay, so now it's time for me to add my vegetables. So now I'm adding the green bell pepper and the red bell pepper. So I have that in the mix, and then I'll stir, and make sure the flavor goes round. Is well rounded. Awesome. Okay, so now it's time to add my eggplant, already mashed. Is well rounded. Okay, so now it's time to add the marinated mushrooms. Like I said, I added maple syrup with apple vinegar cider. I hope you guys liked this video. You can find the recipe for this meal in the description box below. If you enjoyed the video, please click, comment, share, like, and subscribe as well, because I've got many videos to come and I can't wait to share them with you. Until next time, stay healthy and bye.